Hi and good evening to my supervisor and my evaluator. Today I'm gonna present about my project proposal presentation. The title I chose was online movie booking website using QR code. And my name is Kalainidhi, and I will start off with my chapter one uh, introduction. So the project background. So the project background of the movie ticket booking website is a web-based application that's allowed to check ticket availability, buy movie ticket, and pay the movie ticket online via QR codes. So the QR code will be at act as a ticket to go inside the theater and also using for other things. And online tickets or QR based give evidence that their holders have permission to enter a certain entertainment and access to some internet services. So my project is mainly on QR based tickets. So my project is to computerize a movie ticket booking company to manage data that all the transaction become fast and there should be no error in the transaction like calculation mistakes or bill generation or other things. So the problem statement is there are many problems. So few problems that I noticed from the booking websites, mostly on the movie booking website, is time consuming. So time consuming is the main priority when buying tickets at the ticket counter. They are very time consuming by the time movie lovers or customers buy their ticket for movie, they are decided they will almost like unavailable and they will lose interest on the movie on that time. And another problem was is unorganized management. So an unorganized management can face multiple problems like uh, it will bad on the services, give not giving enough proper information about the movies or details. Everything is depend on the employee. And even though you are buying a ticket at the ticket counter, it will dependent on the employee itself. So another problem statement that I discovered was revenue and services. Revenue and services are very limited when it's come to buying tickets or other concerns. This is because the services are available during operation hour where it should be in 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So what are the solutions objective for this? So the objectives are cut the workloads for the time consuming. So cutting the workload means taking this platform to online and booking the booking tickets. Every single thing will be synced and availability is updated with each booking process. Wherever customers cannot may not uh, standing in queue for too long and interest in their they can book early in the before the movie or in advance also. Another objective was a small amount of staffs. We can hiring small amounts of staff can manage the ticket booking website. Staff can log in into website and go through different areas of website, can manage certain functions, which is managing a ticket and talking to the customer service and etc. And another important thing is 24/7 services and great revenues. So 24/7 services are very important to the movie booking website. If anything goes wrong for the customer, they will reach out to the customer service. So if the customer service is not available at that time, so it will give a bad respect to the company service. So having a 24/7 service is giving freedom to potential for people to book a movie tickets anytime they want and maximizes the sales of the movie, which is not limited to the working hours. And the next is scope of the project. So the scope of the project is to automate a system pre-checking inclusion of required material and automatically rank each customer booking based on the number of criteria. So there are two scopes, which is user scope and system scope. So user scope is mainly for the customers and people using the website, user interacting with the website. They will able to book tickets currently and advance booking and able to check the seat availability and in each movie and able to cancel the tickets in the specific page, and they will also can see their tickets in the specific page, able to see details of the movie and able to email for inquiry, which is the customer service. So the system, the other scope is the system scope. Okay, the system scope is only based on the admin. What can admin can log in. So admin can able to log in into system, update the movie list, and able to respond to the customers and able to check the ticket problems. And through the system scope, excuse me, to the system scope, admin can also and this update their servers, their design of the websites and their and added feature and everything. What is the significance of the project? The significance of the project is to provide easier pathway for the booking ticket for all the customers, especially for their there's no knowledge of the technologies. Having a simple website can book a movie is very needful in this era. And this website will be able to get a weight of customers' shoulders and peacefully enjoy their movies. And it is very important to care about the customers rather than the movie, because the customers are the sales of cinema. Another importance of the project is to attract customers from by using the website to get a clear overview of the website. And by the example is attracting customers using the website is designing a website is more interactive to the customer, which is designing animated buttons, icons, which is more eye-catching, and many more. Customers would like to see the website if the were clear and understandable. So many people want to see a website that very clear and understandable, which is straightforward. For the next one is limitation of the project. When I come across with the limitation of the project is of course is internet access. So every online website need to have internet access in order to book a website or go through internet or buying a movie or see a promotion of the movie. So the next thing is the limitation of the project is limited tools for any system and website. There are very limited tools available to do a booking website from scratch. Example of some features need to be paid to learn it, like API. A certain code will be needed to pay to use it and in order to apply in your website. So this is the two things limitation of the project I came across. And chapter 2 is a literature view. The current situation of these movie booking websites they are not fully fledged yet. The customer still has to visit multiple websites in order to get best prices and experiences. So they will go through many websites to overcome their problems and the prices, the budget. Moreover, the websites are tend to be glitchy and unresponsive when booking a ticket through a website. So what I meant by the glitchy and unresponsive was when buying a ticket from the uh, website, if you book a ticket, the ticket will be go to a payment method. The payment method will be sometimes will be glitchy and unresponsive. It will make the customers will be making the customers way the work way more harder. The customers another current situation was they still need to queue in the lines for the tickets at the ticket counter instead of buying them straight from online, because many people don't have the experience of the online website thing. So we have to encourage it. So the GSC is the related one of the relative product of their website. So GSC they use very very friendly user interface and very eye-catching to the audience with bright colors like yellow and white and black. And they also organize it shows the promotion of the movies in the slideshow view in order to attract the customers. So in the home page, the promotions are like in slideshow in order to see all the movies uh glimpse of a second, so they can see if the movie lovers can see whether they what they want to watch and what they need to watch in a short period of time. And GSC also has a membership deal for exclusive deals for movies. And it is the exclusive deals are only for the ticket counter, which as I realized by the website, they can log in into it and the membership will be given to you. Another related product is MBO. So MBO is slowly decreasing, in my opinion. The website are very simple and straightforward. As you can see in the picture, the home page is very straightforward. The buttons are clearly shown where you need to go, where you need to see your cinemas, the events experience, and even coming soon, the future movies. And MBO MBO as a quick book feature which give a easier way to book movies within minutes. So in the home page, MBO has 4 options. You can select a movie and the cinema and the show time and show type and the time in the quick book, and it will straight go to your payment method without any ads or difficulties. Another another one is TGV. TGV is the most popular cinema in Malaysia. So TGV has the most visual good websites, but is not user friendly. This is this is in my opinion. The menus are important. The menus are the very important menus are in the pages are very limited, and the rest of the menus will be in the side over there in the top corner side. And the buttons is also animated, is adds a feature onto it. And TGV also adds a slideshow, a slideshow review review of the movies in all the pages. And this is the comparison of the of three movies, the three cinemas with my cinema which I added. The futures are using a QR code as a ticket. In MBO, they don't use a QR code as a ticket. They use a barcode. GSC yes and TGV yes, and my cinema case cinemas is yes. Promotion not that quite good on the MBO side, and GSC and TGV and my cinema also got, and availability of the movies. So some movies they won't release it in some areas, so but all the movies will be released in the same cinema. Customer service, I think the customer service for MBO is very limited to others, GSC, TGV, and the countdown for book tickets. This is my new feature that I'm gonna add, countdown for booked tickets, which is in the homepage. Let's if you book a ticket for a movie like 1 week or 1 day before that, it will show a countdown time, and countdown time like how many minutes to go, how many hours to go. It will give a alert to you whether you're gonna miss it or not. So this is my future. I'm gonna add it and QR code. So the methodology. So the methodology is a set of ideas or guidelines about how to proceed in gathering and validating knowledge of subject matter. So one of the popular methodology is a waterfall methodology, which is used for web development and software development that I chose. The waterfall methodology is a process which each phase comprising a list of detailed tasks with accompanying documentation and exit criteria. So each phase has each detail of the task that we should know and what we should do to get a clear process of the website. So this is the clear view of the methodology. So first one is the requirements, and the second one is analysis. Requirements is uh, requirements it's like hardware and software is very important because it gives early progressing is in making a booking website. So requirements is choosing your hardware and the software what you want to need, like HTML software, for example, HTML, Visual Code Studio, and Web Expression, XAMPP, PHP. That is all the software I needed. And the hardware is my laptop, and that is the requirements for the early in progress to you should know about. And the design is for example must be eye-catching, and the design is the first prioritized first in order to catch the customer's interest in using the website. If the design is bad or not good enough, customers will be lose interest using the website. So implementation during the phase, the design and use technology to implement them on. So using requirements, the hardware, software, and the design, you implement them on the coding side, and verification is you take the implementation, you create it in phase 4, and then test it and validates your requirements. After the code is done and the design and requirements that I used, testing and repeatedly, if it is okay, it is verified. So after it's verified, and After it's verified, the maintenance. So the maintenance is very key to the website. During maintenance, you are designing strategies or updating and upgrading. You keep on upgrading and updating for the website to people to use it and make yourself better, make yourself better and overcome challenges and strategies. So this is my hardware specifications. So my model name is Asus TUF Gaming. CPU is Ryzen 5 third generation. Operating system is Windows 11. Memory is 12 GB RAM and GPU is GTX 1650 and storage is 512 GB. And the software I'm gonna use is a WebExpression for Visual Studio Code, XAMPP, and PHP to collect all the database of the customers. So chapter 4 is the conclusion. In conclusion, and my conclusion is for the website is fully working website through a limited resources which prove my ability. And this project is main goal reduces workloads from customers from buying a ticket and going to the cinema theater. Nowadays, technologies are getting more advanced and we are still behind. We need to improve that by introducing new features to customers to interact with them and get up to date immediately, instantly. So this project is also for keep up to date for new customers, since online movie tickets bookings are changing and they are changing slowly. This project is for customers to have a and great experience and user interactive and instantly understandable website, and also a user-friendly website that I'm gonna create. And that's all for me, madam, supervisor, and my evaluator. This is my title for my uh, title proposal, which is online movie booking website using a QR code. I hope you approve my title, and I will do my best. I will do my best on the website and designing all the components, all the coding and stuff. And thank you very much. And thank you for your time, madam. Thank you.